Piano Somatics explores the how of what we do at the piano, and a lot of that has to do with perception. Hi, I'm Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where you learn to move better in order to play better. Take a broken chord, for instance. The mind thinks that a broken chord is just a solid chord, but broken up. Solid chord, and now I'm going to play it broken. But you see, the arm is stuck in the middle. That perception of the chord as a broken chord kept me from moving through a melodic line, which goes from here to here. So did you see, as soon as I freed my arm to follow the melody hidden within the broken chord, that changes the whole musical perception and the whole musical process. So how we think about how we move is also an important part of transcendent piano technique.